Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Motorola router easy guide step by step clearly. To reset your Motorola router, start by locating the reset button. The reset button is usually found on the back or bottom of the device. Use a paperclip or a small pin to press the reset button. Hold the button down for about 10 seconds. You should see the lights on the router blink or turn off and then back on. This indicates that the router is resetting. Once the lights stabilize, the router has completed the reset process. Next, wait for your device to fully reboot. This may take a couple of minutes. After rebooting, connect to the router using your computer or mobile device. Now, open a web browser and enter the default IP address for your Motorola router. Common addresses include 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. You will be prompted to enter a username and password. The default username is usually admin, and the default password can often be found on a sticker on the router. Once you log in, you can set up your network preferences. Finally, reconnect your devices to the newly configured network. Your Motorola router is now reset and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.